This is an official broadcast from the County Emergency Management Agency. Please remain calm and listen carefully. We are issuing an advisory for all residents regarding unusual activity reported in multiple neighborhoods. There is no immediate cause for alarm. However, we urge you to pay close attention to the following information. Law Attorney. At approximately 3 a.m., several citizens have reported their doorbells ringing unexpectedly. Initial reports suggested possible trespassing or prank activity, but further investigation has revealed a consistent and troubling detail. Individuals answering the door have described hearing their own names spoken clearly from the doorbell speaker. The voice used is their own, matching their inflection and tone precisely, as if it were pulled from a recent conversation. Law Attorney, if you hear this occurrence, do not approach the door. Some residents have stated that the voice continues speaking even after they step back from the peephole. It begins to repeat personal details in an increasingly rapid cadence, addresses, birthdays, the names of childhood pets, until the words blur together into a wet, rattling noise that sounds like breathing through water. In the most recent incidents, witnesses claim the voice pauses between words, as though choking, and then begins to beg in a pleading whisper to be let inside. Reports also mention the door handle turning, slowly at first, then violently rattling, even if the door is secured. I am instructed to advise that you remain inside your home and avoid looking through the peephole or out any windows if you hear your name spoken outside. It may see you if you look. The agency is currently investigating. We have reason to believe it knows when you're listening to this broadcast. I hear it now, pressing its mouth against the microphone. It's saying my name in my voice. Please do not open the door. It's not me out there. It's not any of us. It knows who you are. It knows how you sound, and it wants to come in.